Hi, this is Mrs. Schneider. I just wanted to introduce myself to parents and students in case you haven't been able to meet me yet. I am a special education teacher here at South Belton Middle School. So I just wanted to share some information about myself and my expectations for this school year of 2020-2021. So let's get started. So first off, here's a little bit of information about myself. I graduated from the University of Missouri in Columbia with a bachelor's in social work. Then I have a master's in social work from Texas State University. And then I got my alternative certification from Region 13 in Austin. I am now starting my 4th year of special education, my 2nd year at South Belton Middle School as an inclusion teacher. I've also been married to my husband for 5 years, and we have a beautiful daughter named Charlie Rose. She will be 2 in October, and our first baby is our dog Patches, which she is 4, and she's an Old English Bulldog. So this is just a little bit about myself, and I am looking forward to getting to know your students and you as well this year. If you need to get a hold of me to ask me any questions at all, please contact me from my school phone number, or you may email me, and which will probably be quicker since I am in class most days. Your student can message me through Schoology, and they are listed as the Schneider's class, which is for all of our special ed students that are able to contact me if you have any questions about an assignment or a question in general. Or my office hours are Monday through Friday from 2:55 to 3:45 p.m. And I'm always welcome to have a face-to-face meeting if that is what you would like, or we can schedule a Zoom, whichever you prefer. The way that your student can message me is in their Schoology course. It does say inclusion, but it also says Schneider's class. And this is where they can look to see for any updated information regarding our virtual learners or a time that I may be able to meet with them. Also, on Wednesdays, as of right now, since we are doing all virtual on Wednesdays, this will be a time that they should be looking to see if there is a tutorial class going on that myself or one of my peers would be able to Zoom with them about a specific topic. So they will need to be paying attention to the updates in this section. And if they have any questions, or you may email me through Schoology, and that way I can immediately respond when needed. So my expectations for this school year are providing support for all students, regardless of special education. We just want to make sure that we are here for our students. We know it's a hard time for all students and families. And so I want to make sure that our students feel supported in the classroom when they're learning, whether it be online or in person. I also want our students to feel included in their classes. And so I'm going to be there to help them understand what's going on in class so they can participate with their peers. That is the biggest part of our education, is participating with peers and making those connections and building confidence. We want all students to have that confidence in asking questions and speaking up if they don't understand. So I'm always in class to build that confidence for them and having them understand that I'm there to help them, and if they do fall, I am there to help them. So that way they don't miss a concept or they don't miss a lecture note. They can always come and talk with me, and I will be happy to help them understand what was going on in class. So we want our students to take full advantage of their future and want them to excel in their dreams. So I always want to do what I can to help our students. I'm so excited to be back at school with our kids and see their faces. And we are so happy that we are South Belton Middle School. So Again, just a small recap. I am a special education teacher here at South Belton, and I am in room 218 on the second floor. So if you or your student could be looking for me, head that direction. I'm in the middle of the 7th grade hallway, and I am always available by email if you have any questions or concerns about your student. I can't wait to get to know you and your students, and we're ready to go. So I hope you'll have a great school year, and I look forward to meeting each and every one of you.